loves, it's Najah Tai. Welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button below. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back, girl. Today, I am going to do a review over this curly hair I got on my head. Guess what? Number one, it's a wig. Yes, it's a wig. It's a half wig and it's synthetic. Yes, it's a synthetic half wig. So let me tell you what I got on my head first. I have the Vanessa wig on Fashion Hair by 5th Avenue collection. I have this and I have it in Las Mogan. I think that's how you say it. I have it in the SP1B33. So that's what it was. This was $34.99. Usually you can find half wigs like this cheaper. Some beauty supplies, I found them at for like 20 bucks. But I mean, this is really just like, it's just amazing. Also, it is heat resistant up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So you are good to put heat on this. Obviously, if you straighten it, it's gonna be a lot thinner than what it looks now. The texture of this hair is it's very light actually. It looks like it'd be really, really heavy, but this is like, I can't even feel this on my head, and it comes down pretty low. This is the longest piece. It comes down to my waist. So it's really, really, really long. So it's full, it's long, it's light, so it doesn't feel heavy like you're wearing a helmet on your head. That's why I liked it for the summer too, because it was just so light. I didn't feel like I had anything on my head. It's amazing. The application's super easy. You literally, braid your hair down. You have your hair, a little bit of hair out in the front. You put that wig on, hunty, and then you gel your edges down to, blend in with it. If your hair is not this texture. I did actually put on one of my friends onto this wig, and she was biracial, and she really didn't have to do anything except swoop her little edges down, but she was able to, her hair just blended right in, so she didn't necessarily have to worry about gelling it down. But because your sister over here is like a 4B 4C type hair, I need to, I used the Eco Styling Gel along with the Got to Be Glued, along with the, what is it? Oh goodness. I can't remember the name, but I'll put the name somewhere on the screen. I use those to, slick down these edges and lay them down. Usually when I'm in a hurry, I don't have time to put a scarf on. And that's usually okay. It usually holds, and since it's curly hair, it really kind of hides whatever doesn't get slicked down, and it just makes it look more natural to me. I absolutely love this hair. It's super quick, super easy, and it's really affordable. You get a $400 look for $34, $20, depending on where you go and where you get it. I'm loving it. Yes. Also, if you like the makeup that I have on at the moment, I have a review over it. I don't have a tutorial up. I'm waiting to see if people want a tutorial step-by-step on this. But go ahead and in the comment section, if you do want a tutorial step-by-step, go ahead and let me know and I will do this for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Remember, make sure that you hit that subscription button. Also, like, comment, and share, okay? I will catch you guys in the next video.